Socializing 78. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the reaction of many countries to the coronavirus outbreak, and their attempt at reducing its spread. It is important for Muslims to fulfill the command of Allah, the Exalted, in the chapter 4 An-Nisa, verse 59.
O you who have believed, obey Allah and obey the Messenger and those in authority among you.
It is vital for Muslims to obey the government, during all matters which do not contradict the teachings of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, meaning in those matters which are beneficial to the general public. Muslims should follow the advice and commands given by their government, and not cause further problems for society and Islam by ignoring them. In addition, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has advised in a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 4204, that religion is being sincere to others, which includes those in authority. This means Muslims must support them in matters which are beneficial and protects the society from harm, such as the social restrictions which have been imposed by governments. Finally, this narration also mentions being sincere towards the general public. This applies to all members of the society, irrespective of their faith, or if one personally knows them or not. Even though a Muslim or their loved ones may not be at risk of serious harm by being infected with the coronavirus, there are people in society which are at serious risk of harm and death. In order to be sincere to these people, a Muslim must obey the restrictions imposed by the government, as these restrictions aim to protect them and prevent the spread of the virus. A Muslim's duty is to support their political and religious leaders in anything which is praiseworthy in the eyes of Islam, such as the things which benefit the society. As indicated by the verse quoted earlier, this is an aspect of obeying Allah, the Exalted.